Earnings season's really picking up this week, and I'm here to bring you the best charts. It's not easy to beat every quarter after quarter for years, but these companies have been able to do it. So let's dive in and see which ones have the best charts this week. There's a lot of good banks going this week, and this is one of them, US Bank Corp. They have been very consistent here, as you can see. Shares kind of stalled out there a little bit in 2014, 2015, along with a lot of the other banks, but have, of course, burst to the new highs here. But US Bank Corp, one of the bigger banks, they have a great track record. So if this is the area you want to play for earnings, this is definitely one you need to be watching. Our next one is not a bank, it is Netflix. Who knew that Netflix had this great earnings record? I was kind of surprised myself when I went to go look at it. You can see some really big beats. That big long green arrow, it means that the magnitude of the beat is bigger, and they've had 4 big massive beats in a row here. So you got to like that, and you just have to like this consistency, because as we know, with this kind of company, this isn't easy to do, to actually beat the estimates for 5 years. So a lot of people will be watching this one. I will be too. It's at the new highs, but I'm liking the odds of them probably beating again. And then our third one is another bank, Ecobank Corp. This is a smaller bank with about a $2 billion market cap. They have just the one miss there in early 2015. Shares have taken off here too again, but again, the banks may seem boring. They're kind of back in. But if you are playing the beat or the miss, you can't go wrong with some of these earnings charts and their consistency. Because as I've said earlier, it is really hard to do this, to beat every quarter after quarter after quarter, as these guys have done. So those are 3 stocks you should be watching this week. We're getting a lot of the banks, so a lot of the good bank charts are still out there. There's even more than just these that I'm showing you, but these have the real good earnings track record and a little bit bigger market cap on some of these. So if you want to play those earnings beats, these are definitely one to keep on your radar. Now, if you want to play the options on any of these, I know my colleague, Dave Bartosiak, is covering Netflix on Zacks Live Trader. So you can tune in to see that. It's available to you right on YouTube. Go over there, see what he says about the options trades. And I'll be back with more earnings charts all earnings season. So be sure to tune in here.